So here's the stove that we put in. It's a Frigidaire ceramic glass top, flat, and of course there's the inside and everything. But that's brand new, and then there's the refrigerator that we bought for the to supplement the one that's in here, which is right there. And we have the original stove that was in there, which was a cream colored stove with coils, electric coils on the top. We've got both the range hood and the stove in storage, so we can put that back if you don't want to buy that from us to go with this place. Whatever. And then of course, like I said, we'll leave this refrigerator. It's white. It's not cream at all, but it works really well. And here's the freezer. Like I said, I went through everything and cleaned it and bleach disinfected it and everything. And there's some of the stuff we keep in there, whatever. But it works really well. No big deal. Everything's nice in this one. My cat just jumped on my shoulders to jump up onto the top there. But anyway, that's it.